Lord Street Hotel 113 room top. Arcade entrance. Really big TV. Standard milk and coffee. Guest information. I'll show you this if you want to see it. What's in here? The Grand is actually next door. It's like a really posh restaurant. The Bowl, there's actually a pub actually just across the road. It must be part of them as well. If you want something a bit cheaper. Show you some information and I'll go back to the room. Bold menu. Just want to see the Grand menu as well. From the lunch. Okay, ironing board. If you're wondering if it's an iron board, there's an iron. There's a fridge, nothing in it. I'll show you the view while I'm here. Not a very nice view to the back, but at least it's quiet. That's my wife. Towels on the bed. Bed seems quite comfy. It's a really nice bathroom. My wife has commented she wants a walk-in shower like this. That's me. Yeah, it's really nice bathroom. It's finished off quite nice really. So actually, which I didn't know, it actually said Best Western when you log in, and if anybody's ever stayed in Best Western, pretty much know they're not normally the nicest hotels, but so they must have like taken this over from somebody, because it does look quite nice. But all in all, yeah, it's a really nice room. We've not booked breakfast here. I'll probably just go and book something like later and find somewhere to eat later on. Check-in is from 3 PM. Check-out is 11. We got here about, it must have been about 8 minutes to when we checked in, and they wouldn't let us check in, which is fair enough. So we just had to wait for 8 minutes. But yeah, there was a bit of a mix-up though, and we ended up waiting a bit longer to try and check in because they forgot about us. But yeah, other than that, the actual room's nice. Check-in's a bit haphazard, and there's not really any. I won't say there's adequate room signage either as well, because we're walking around trying to find our room. But yeah, I don't know. It's a nice room.